Happy holidays. I'd like to talk to you about how to use the built-in text-to-speech reader on a Chromebook. You can be on your homepage or you can be inside of Chrome. You want to go down in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and hover next to the time. Click that. Accessibility should pop up if you're in your Lake Travis ISD account. Click down on accessibility. You'll see select to speak as your second choice. Select that, click it, you'll get a blue arrow, so it's turned on. To make it work, you actually have to push two keys, your search key plus your S key. On your newer models, your search key looks like a white dot instead of a little magnifying mirror plus an S. So let's look at what that looks like. I've got a Schoology quiz that a teacher built. I'm going to highlight that so I don't have the whole thing read to me. Do my search S.
Click to toggle options. 1.
So I'm a bad highlighter, as you can tell. I'm going to highlight my text. Select S.
How are you today?
I can get my entire test read to me. That's a Schoology quiz. So it'll read anything on the screen. You can have a Google form up. It will not read you the words inside of a picture because it doesn't recognize that as text. So you can go in here and select it. Select S.
This graph is a...
So it's reading me my test. I like to select my text because I encourage my readers to read all the questions 3 times. Also, if you want to know about other text-to-speech readers, I'll upload them on my school video webpage on YouTube. Also, in the Chromebook Help Center, you can just Google Chromebook Help. You can get to hear text read aloud. If you scroll down, it tells you what to do step by step. They also have an interactive video that you can select. It's loading right now, sorry. And it will walk you through. Look, it's saying select next to the time, select next to the time, select your settings. Ours was already turned on to it for us by the awesome tech department, and then toggle it on. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to watch another video and have a great day.